Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your cost basis method to highest in, first out, or HIFO? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your cost basis method in Coinbase to highest in, first out anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with an accountant or a CPA, and they may have guided you to update your cost basis to HIFO. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update your cost basis method to highest in, first out, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Okay, once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on manage account. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on tax. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the top with 5 options, but you want to click on settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to look for this line cost basis method. You can see mine is highest in, first out. And to change that, click on the edit button here on the right. Okay, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see these 2 options. So you can go ahead and keep your current method, but if you want to update, you're going to click here, I want to update. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the tax years that you've had a Coinbase account. So you can go ahead and click on the menu on each year. Once you do that, you can go ahead and choose highest in, first out, or HIFO. Now they do let you know you can only change the cost basis method for historical transactions once. Once you've chosen highest in, first out for the years that you want, go ahead and click on save. Now be sure you look at the most recent tax year, because once you choose that, it's automatically going to be default for any future years with your Coinbase account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update your cost basis method in your Coinbase account to highest in, first out, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.